Bart, have you started smoking?
No.
Don't lie to me, boy. Uh-huh. Cigarettes, just as I thought.
They're not mine. My boss said his warehouse was full.
Yeah, right. Son, I'm going to teach you a lesson. I'm going to stand here and watch you smoke every one of those cigarettes. Then maybe you'll learn.
Fat Tony sent me over to pick up the goods.
Right in here, my man.
Hey, kid, you look good with that cigarette. Kinda sophisticated.
Son, I'll never doubt you again.
The contents of the hijacked truck, some 12,000 cartons of Laramie 100s.
We have we have a number of leads, and let me assure all you smokers out there, there is no shortage of cigarettes.
How do we know that?
All right, let me refer that question back to Jack Larson of Laramie Tobacco Products. Jack?
Thank you, Chief. Folks, I'm pleased to announce that a new truckload of Laramies with their smooth, good taste and rich tobacco flavor is already heading toward Springfield, and the driver has been instructed to ignore all stop signs and crosswalks. Police suspect the involvement of reputed mobster William Fat Tony Williams.
Fat Tony is a cancer on this fair city. He is the cancer, and I am the... what cures cancer?
Bart, is your boss a crook? I don't think so. Although it would explain an awful lot.